with Emily Sutton.
Maybe you noticed earlier in the evening a severe thunderstorm watch for northwestern Oklahoma. I'm happy to say that was allowed to expire, but we may still have some gusty winds in this part of the state, as well as some wonderful rain. But the winds are gusting because of some of these storms dying out. Maybe you've heard of this term before, a downburst. Let's talk about it. So, a storm setup, you have a strong thunderstorm with a strong updraft. Updraft are the warm winds that feed a storm and help it to develop. The opposite of that would be a downdraft, and that's due to the precipitation going down. Now, when the updraft starts to weaken, then you can have colder air pooling in the middle part of the storm due to the heavy rain and hail that are suspended there from the updraft earlier. And what happens as the storm weakens and the updraft goes away, the storm's dying, it can sometimes have some strong winds, especially if there's drier air near the surface. This rain falling into it can evaporate, and then it's cooler than the surrounding environment, which helps it have momentum to the surface. Sometimes downburst winds can be up to 100 miles per hour, as strong as a weak tornado. Thankfully, that is not the case. These are just some gusty storms right now to the northwest. Let's take a look at this time lapse from the Woodward camera, and you can see all the lightning there. I know northwestern Oklahoma, though, we really need the rain. So this is great news that it is just rain at this hour. It was severe in the Panhandle during the 6 p.m. newscast. Zooming in, you can see the little gust front out ahead of it, moving into Camargo and Sealing. Some readings near Arnett up to about 30 to 40 miles per hour. Nice soaking rain moving into Fort Supply over Gate and Freedom, and then rain off to the west. Why is it so important in this part of the state? Check out the latest drought monitor. You can see still some severe drought, and it is expanding farther south. So we do need more rain, and there's more rain in the forecast coming up. So long as we have the jet stream like this nearby, northwesterly flow. We have been tapping into that very hot air mass to the west of us, though. And tomorrow will be very hot, so just be prepared for that one. A look outside. Temperatures right now, we are in the upper 70s, still warm. A south wind at 10 for Oklahoma City, 90 for Altus, 81 for Oklahoma City, 88 for Alva. Winds out of the south at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So there is a marginal risk of severe weather tomorrow for the northern half of the state. Slight risk near the Kansas border. Essentially, any storms that form tomorrow could have up to golf ball size hail, up to 60 to 80 mile per hour winds. Let's take a look at the timing. So those showers and storms will continue to weaken, just light rain moving off to the east. There is a chance for an isolated shower about mid-morning, maybe around the 7 to 9 or 10 a.m. time frame. We want it to stick around because that can hold off the heat for a little bit. But yes, the afternoon sunshine, very hot and humid. To the northwest, storms could develop late, spreading across northern Oklahoma during the overnight hours. An isolated shower possible for the morning again for central Oklahoma, but the better chance will be Sunday afternoon. Scattered showers and storms with the front. This is the very latest data, really picking up Sunday night into early Monday, and then possibly through the first half of the day before we dry out. More storms then for Tuesday into Wednesday. So showing about 1 to 3 inches, locally 4 inches through early next week. Here's your full one forecast tonight, 73 degrees, but better chance of rain to the northwest. For tomorrow, mainly dry, isolated showers in the morning, and then 95 degrees, 103 for Altus, and a heat index near 100. So please be cautious in the dangerous heat. After that, 86, scattered showers and storms for Sunday, a better chance Sunday night into early Monday, more rain Tuesday into early Wednesday. Would dry out for a few more days, and then Father's Day weekend, we could have the storms making a return.
Thanks, Sam.
Up next, a pair of